Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to record a Zoom meeting on Mac. So first of all, open the Zoom application on your MacBook and make sure you're already inside a Zoom meeting. Before starting the recording, check your microphone settings from the bottom left corner. Make sure the correct microphone is selected so your voice will also be recorded properly during the meeting. After that, move to the bottom right corner and click on the More option. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, click on the Record feature, and there you go. The Zoom meeting recording has now started. It will record your meeting screen along with your voice and other meeting audio. Now, if you want to stop the recording, simply click on the red recording button. After that, click on Stop Recording. Once your meeting recording is complete, Zoom will automatically convert the recording into an MP4 video file. To access the recording, go to the bottom right corner and click on the End Meeting button, then leave or close the meeting. After leaving the meeting, you will see the recording conversion process start automatically on your screen. Once the conversion is finished, your Zoom recording will be saved to the default folder location on your MacBook. You can also change the recording save location later according to your preference, and that's it. This is how you can record a Zoom meeting on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.